Hello, and welcome to our channel, The Roaming Investor. Today I'm going to share some tips and hacks for maintaining a healthy lifestyle while traveling the world. Traveling is a great way to experience new cultures, try new foods, and meet new people. However, it can also be challenging to maintain a healthy lifestyle while on the go. Before we begin, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button to support more content from this channel. Let's begin. 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for good health. It's easy to get dehydrated while traveling, especially on long flights or during hot weather. So, make sure you carry a refillable water bottle with you and keep drinking water regularly. It's important to be careful about the water you consume when traveling to different destinations. To make sure the water is safe to consume, you can consider a few options. One option is to buy bottled water from a trusted brand or source. However, this can generate a lot of plastic waste, which is not environmentally friendly. Another option is to use a water filtration system. Alternatively, you can invest in a reusable water bottle with an integrated filtration system, such as the Grail GeoPress. You can also consider boiling the water if you're not sure if it's safe to consume. These options can help ensure that you stay hydrated while staying healthy on the go. 2. Pack healthy snacks. Fruits are an excellent choice for healthy snacking as they are a good source of vitamins and minerals. Apples, bananas, oranges, and berries are all great choices for portable fruits that can be eaten on the go. Nuts and seeds are also a great option for healthy snacking as they are high in protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Look for bars that are made with whole food ingredients and avoid those with added sugars. Jerky made from lean meats like turkey or beef can also be a good source of protein. It's always a good idea to check the ingredient list and nutrition information before buying pre-packaged snacks to make sure they align with your healthy eating goals. 3. Get active. Exercise is essential for good health, and traveling doesn't have to mean giving up your fitness routine. You can pack a resistance band or jump rope, use the hotel gym, or take advantage of outdoor activities like hiking or biking. I'll make sure to leave all links and resources in the description section of this video. One popular way to stay active while traveling is by hiking or biking. These activities allow you to explore new destinations and take in beautiful scenery while getting some exercise. One useful tool for finding hiking trails is the AllTrails app. This app provides detailed information on hiking trails around the world, including trail maps, reviews, and photos from other hikers. If you prefer indoor exercise, many hotels offer fitness centers or swimming pools for guests to use. You can also pack a resistance band or jump rope in your suitcase for an easy and portable workout. Additionally, many cities offer yoga or fitness classes that you can attend to stay active while exploring a new destination. It's important to remember that even small amounts of exercise can have a big impact on your health. Taking a walk around your hotel or exploring a new city on foot can be a great way to get some exercise while traveling. 4. Use apps. There are many apps that can help you maintain a healthy lifestyle while traveling. For example, apps like MyFitnessPal can help you track your food intake and exercise, while apps like Headspace can help you meditate and reduce stress. 5. Prioritize sleep. It's easy to get carried away with sightseeing and exploring while traveling, but it's important to prioritize sleep. Try to get at least 7 hours of sleep every night. Let's say you're visiting a new city and have a full itinerary planned for the day. You wake up early and spend the morning sightseeing, visiting museums, and exploring local markets. By mid-afternoon, you're feeling tired and run down, but you still have several more activities planned for the day. Rather than pushing through and continuing with your itinerary, you decide to prioritize sleep. You head back to your hotel room and take a nap for an hour or two. You set an alarm so that you don't oversleep and miss any of your planned activities. After your nap, you feel refreshed and energized, ready to continue with your sightseeing. In the evening, you make sure to turn off all electronics and dim the lights in your hotel room to prepare for a good night's sleep. You prioritize getting at least 7 hours of sleep, knowing that it's essential for your health and well-being. Taking naps, avoiding caffeine and alcohol before bedtime, and creating a relaxing sleep environment are all effective ways to ensure that you get enough rest while traveling. 6. Take care of your mental health. Traveling can be stressful, so it's important to take care of your mental health. Take breaks, practice mindfulness, and make time for activities that make you happy. 7. Research ahead. Before traveling, research the health and safety guidelines of your destination. This can help you avoid any potential health risks and stay safe while traveling. It can help you avoid potential health risks, stay safe, and ensure that you have an enjoyable trip. One of the first places to start is with the travel advisory issued by your country's government. This can provide valuable information on any potential safety risks, including political instability, natural disasters, and health outbreaks. You can also find information on required vaccinations, travel restrictions, and visa requirements. Additionally, you can research the specific health risks associated with your destination. If you're traveling to a region where malaria is common, you may need to take medication to prevent infection. Similarly, if you're visiting a city with high air pollution levels, you may need to take precautions to protect your respiratory health. Travel forums and social media groups can also be a valuable resource for getting advice and tips from other travelers who have visited the same destination. By checking government travel advisories, consulting the CDC website, and researching local health risks, you can take steps to stay healthy and safe while on your travels. In conclusion, maintaining a healthy lifestyle while traveling is possible with a little bit of planning and effort. Stay hydrated, pack healthy snacks, get active, use apps, prioritize sleep, take care of your mental health, and research ahead. I hope these tips and tricks were helpful. Do you have any other tips and hacks for traveling? Let me know in the comments. Safe travels and stay healthy.
If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest videos. By doing so, you'll be helping to support the channel and keep us motivated to create more great content for you to enjoy.